Manual dough kneading is often very time consuming, but with the best pastry blender by your side, you can speed things up and even save yourself some muscle aches. A pastry blender's unique design makes it easy to slice through butter, shortening, or dough and to mix it with flour and the other items. To get this right, however, requires a good quality blender with all the right features. Today we are going to review top 5 pastry blender of this year, and we are going to start our list with Blue Dough Blender. For a superior quality pastry blender that's made to professional standards, check out this Blue offer made of stainless steel and a soft grip handle. It's large, however, measuring 4.5 inches across and designed for medium to large hands that need to work as efficiently as possible. Others might just find it too large or that the blades are too widely spaced. Aside from that, this pastry blender is one of the best quality offers in this review and features such a quality design and construction, that Blue backs it with a lifetime warranty. In addition to that, you can use it to chop veggies and nuts, as its blades are quite strong. It's also dishwasher safe, and Blue offers a 6-inch pastry scraper at an additional cost, for when you've fallen in love with this product's quality. And as always, the link is in the description below. Next up is Spring Chef Blender. This pastry blender also comes from Spring Chef, just like the offer above, except that a few differences between the two set this one apart. First, it's larger than the offer above, and is, therefore, better suited to larger hands. While the previous pastry blender measured 3 inches across, this one measures 4.5 inches across and offering more grip space for larger hands. Secondly, this one features a more trendy design and does not have its handle bolts exposed like the previous pastry blender. Its handle is also more ergonomically designed, making it more convenient. If you simply want the best stainless steel pastry blender, then check out this blender from Spring Chef. It comes without accessories, so there's no pastry scraper or biscuit cutters. What it offers, however, is a high-quality stainless steel construction that's easy to see. It's sturdy, features thick and sturdy blades, and includes a soft grip handle for convenience. On the downside, one issue with this blender is its size. It measures just 3 inches across, making it impractical for large-handed people. For smaller hands, however, it's a pleasure to work with. Again, the link is in the description. Here's another pastry making set, but this time, the basic package doesn't include a pastry scraper. It includes just the pastry blender and a set of 5 biscuit cutters. All the items are 100% stainless steel and dishwasher safe. The pastry blender features an ergonomic rubber handle, which makes it easier to handle and saves your wrists from pain. One downside is that you'll have to pay more for a 3-piece package, which includes a pastry scraper. Another downside is that the cookie cutters have a seam, and this is a weakness that makes them less sturdy. You can still make great pastry with this set though. The price is also attractive, and the package includes a PDF ebook with lots of cookies and cake recipes to start you off, making it one of the best handheld pastry blenders out there. Houlihan's XN0209 is a top-rated pastry blender set that includes a pastry blender, a scraper, and a biscuit cutter set, all made from high-quality 18/10 stainless steel and featuring a rubber handle. The pastry blender features 4 blades, and its ergonomic rubber handle makes it easier to use with either the right or left hand. With the pastry scraper, you can cut fruits, biscuits, and chocolate, plus it comes with 2 measuring scales in inches and centimeter. The biscuit cutters come in 5 sizes, ranging from 1.6 to 3.1 inches, and they are all made entirely from stainless steel, guaranteeing a lifelong use without rust or corrosion. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.